Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is February 1st, Monday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly before diving into Balancer, BALUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken on this market. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in the market first before diving into Balancer. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into, would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. So currently, I'm still looking at the daily time frame on Bitcoin dominance because yesterday and the past few days have been mentioning the key support I am looking for Bitcoin dominance to actually break will be the daily 200 MA, which is the orange line right here at about 63%. If Bitcoin dominance breaks this key support right here, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to continue downwards in the short-term future, which generally speaking is better for altcoin price action, both on the upside and downside, as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards. So this is still what I'm focusing on before diving into any setups on the altcoin market. Now, Bitcoin price action here still hasn't done too much. Like I said, this is pretty ideal for the altcoins because when Bitcoin price action is consolidating within a tighter range, it has less room to dump. When Bitcoin price action has less room to dump, it affects the altcoins less when it dumps, okay? Of course, this will also depend on which way Bitcoin dominance is trending. If Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards, I would expect altcoins to still be more affected by the Bitcoin dump relative to Bitcoin. Just think about it mathematically. So Bitcoin dominance still gives me an idea of how much it would affect the altcoin market relative to Bitcoin price action. Now, key support here, still the daily 50 MA. Key resistance, still the daily 21 MA, which is right above this top trend line of this falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge patterns are bullish patterns, 68% chance of it breaking upwards. If it actually does break upwards by tomorrow's candle now, I will still have a measured target here of about, I think it's about 45.5K as far as I can read it, or somewhere around in the mid 45K range. Measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be more or less in actual real life price action. Now, key support here is still the daily 50 MA. If this does not hold, I'm looking at the 3-day 21 MA, which is also within this falling wedge pattern now. So it does not seem like I would need to invalidate this falling wedge pattern with a pretty good likelihood on the downside, okay? Let's take a look into Balancer now and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken. Since the last time I have spoken, I did say there was an inverse head and shoulders pattern, broke out of that pattern quite some time ago. The neckline was about 17 cents. Measure target was about over $25, almost $26. Right now, it does seem like the price action is still continuing to go up. There was also a double bottom pattern right here on the daily time frame. Measure target of that double bottom pattern was about $30. Price action went as far as about a little under $32, okay? Before getting rejected by this fib level right here, about $32. Now let's see what exactly has it done since. I'm gonna take a look into the higher time frames and see if we have any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergences to look out for and to see if there are any red flags on the higher time frames. So again, I'm looking for overbought RSI readings. There was none. There was no RSI reading on the monthly, so I'm not concerned with that. We are not in overbought territory on the weekly, nor do I see any possible bearish divergence scenarios on the weekly as well. So let's move down to the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day time frame, not in overbought territory. However, let's compare this high with this high right here. So they're equal highs, but with lower highs on the RSI. That is classic bearish divergence, yielded a red candle before continuing upwards. Now, I do see that I will be comparing this high right here with this high, or this high right here. Actually, with this high, comparing this high with this high. Okay, that would be negated bearish divergence, so the momentum is still continuing for the bulls on the 3-day time frame here. On the daily time frame, let's see, we had a double bottom. I'll be comparing this high right here with initially this high. Let's see, that is correct. That's a higher high. However, with this new high now, okay, I want to be comparing this high with this high. Right now, we have about a little over 2 hours before this daily candle closes. And right now, the RSI reading I'm looking for this high right now is about 66. The high to beat, which would be comparing to this one. However, the RSI reading to beat is about 68. So just a little bit of a significant move there would actually negate this possible bearish divergence scenario on the daily time frame. I'm going to be focusing on this on the daily time frame here. Let's see if we can actually get a higher RSI reading than the previous high right here of about 68 to negate bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Whenever I do see bearish divergence on a specific time frame, it is more likely than not that it will signal a pullback. Okay. Now, let's take a look into the smaller time frames now. So let's dig down into the 30-minute and the hourly time frame, because on the bigger time frames, it seems like the price action has not done too much, nor has it created any patterns. So let's go into the smaller time frames and see what possible smaller patterns are in the making. Okay, on the hourly time frame and on the 30-minute time frame, I'll be taking a look at, because it seems that we had a small cup and handle here. Cup and handle patterns are bullish patterns. Now, it does seem like the price action has broken above this neckline of this cup and handle pattern. I'd like to take a look into the hourly time frame instead, because on the 30-minute time frame, there were already some candle closes on the starting side of the cup and handle. Okay, I want to see on a time frame where I do not see any candle closes above a estimated neckline of this pattern. This way, when I do actually see candle closes on that time frame, I could decide that this is actually a breakout. Okay, so right now on the hourly time frame, the neckline is about $29. Looks like the price action had a small breakout, and the price action is retesting that $29 resistance. Let's see if this price action holds. Okay, if this is in fact the breakout and the price action can actually hold that support, I do have a measure target here, which is taken by measuring the distance from the neckline to the bottom of the pattern, like what I just did there, and then adding it back on top of the neckline. Let's take a look at the measure target here. It's almost $33. Okay, slightly under $33. So it's a small target for a small pattern. Now, let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Right now, I am looking for the price action on the hourly time frame to hold this support at about $29. Okay, if we start getting hourly candle closes below the support again, this will tell me the price action is not ready to break out yet and is going back into the pattern, flipping this support back into resistance. Bullish case scenario, price action holds support and go towards its measured target. Measured targets, again, approximate theoretical targets, may actually be different in real live price action. And again, that's about $33. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks the support about $29. An hourly candle close would tell me that this price action has likely broken back into the pattern, and another breakout may be delayed, or I could be looking at another pattern instead that is not this cup and handle pattern. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for Balancer for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.